Wow. Check this out, you. Hanging out with Miss Anna outside for a bit. All this rain. All this weather. It's terrible. Look at it, Miss Banana here. She likes the rain sometimes. She always likes to go by this Ross Church temple because there's toys. She likes the display. She always likes that. She likes toys. Don't you like toys, Anna? Yeah, there's toys. There's always toys there. Come on, Anna. Up. Good girl. You would like to see the toys. What is there? It is disgusting out. But I can live with it for a while. You Miss Anna. Anna here's enjoying herself in some ways. Anna here. Chilling out with Miss Banana Anna beside the Queen Elizabeth Barber. Looks like some storm or hit. Looks like a little bit of a tornado got kicked. Isn't that right, Miss Anna? She likes the outdoors. But not like this, though. Not like this. Looks like some storm partially hit, or tornado, hurricane. I know this though. It's raining and it's muddy and it's disgusting. That's New England. That's New York for you. So next episode Anna will be playing with Paw Patrol, watching Paw Patrol episodes, and also playing with her toys. Chilling outside, going through on the stream. Oh, Anna Banana found a pack of cigarettes. Anna, you know that you don't smoke. You know you don't smoke. You don't smoke. Smoking's bad for you. Bad weather outside today. Very disgusting. And I totally agree. The water stream that's going around here. Next episode will be Paw Patrol. I'm playing with Anna Banana's Paw Patrol toy, and she's gonna get her snack time, and then we're gonna have lunch. But first, I'm gonna have to dry her. Take care. Subscribe, Anna Banana. see you next time. Subscribe, Banana, and Araceli, Queen of Heaven. Take care. Have a great rainy day.